11 foods that act as natural blood purifiers. Hi there, viewers. We're always breathing, eating, and drinking toxins and dangerous chemicals. That's why the health industry is flooded with detox supplements, but most of them come with harmful side effects. You can naturally purify your blood by making simple additions to your diet. In today's video, let's discuss foods that act as natural blood purifiers. How good is jaggery? Can hibiscus be a powerful cleanser? What about coffee? We are discussing all that and more. Parsley. Oftentimes we fail to appreciate the power of this vegetable. Finely chopped parsley is used as a garnish on many dishes in restaurants. Many of us think of it as unimportant. There are two varieties of parsley: the flat leaf Italian variety and the curly leaf that is all wrinkled up. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins like A, K, and C. Your lungs, liver, and kidneys are the major organs that impact the detoxification process of blood. Parsley can help these organs release excess toxins they might be holding onto. The volatile oils from parsley can neutralize cancer-causing compounds. All the char on your grilled meats might have carcinogens, so the next time you plan to have a barbecue, make sure to add chimichurri sauce loaded with parsley on your steak. A few animal studies suggest that parsley and basil have liver-protecting action. Consuming parsley regularly can help the kidneys to get rid of waste. Without proper filtration, toxins will be circulating in your system and blood. Parsley juice is an excellent way to prevent loss of sight. It can increase the blood supply to the tiny vessels and prolong eye health. Have you ever tried parsley tea? Did you find a noticeable change in your health after having it regularly? Sound off in the comments below and start a conversation with our Bestide community. 2. Coffee. Your morning cup of joe could be the single best thing to purify your blood. This indulgence can be the healthiest cup of your day. Brewed or instant coffee can energize your body and protect you from many scary diseases. Coffee can be a powerful detoxer. It is considered to be one of those performance-enhancing drugs that have been extensively studied. Studies have shown that drinking coffee can lower the risk of liver cirrhosis. It can also reduce the risk of liver inflammation and cancer. Coffee possesses the unique ability to stop the excess fat and collagen in your body from being deposited in the liver. These benefits are only true if you have coffee without creamers and sugar. That could do the exact opposite thing to your liver. You can add a variety of other tasty things to your coffee like cinnamon, cardamom, mint, cocoa powder, and even ginger. You will be eliminating all the risks that cause death due to liver diseases. Having coffee in moderation can give your liver the much-needed chance to rejuvenate. No wonder coffee remains the most popular drink worldwide. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all our great Bestide content. 3. Jaggery. Jaggery is a plant-derived sweetener found in Southeast Asia and Africa. As it does not have any heavily refined sugars, it is touted to be healthier than white sugar. It is the perfect addition of sweetness to your cooking. Jaggery contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Additionally, it is a great source of iron. Getting enough iron for the day can make you feel less fatigued and improve muscle function. You could be at risk of developing anemia if your daily diet lacks iron. Switching from white sugar to jaggery could also give you a boost of antioxidants that will keep you away from certain cancers. It also reduces your chances of aging, dementia, and macular degeneration. Jaggery can also eliminate clotted blood from your circulatory system. The toxic overload is decreased by manifold. It is even beneficial for your digestive system. This plant-based sweetener contains molasses that is a form of fiber. For all those who are often constipated, one serving of jaggery can help to prevent constipation and expel waste from the body smoothly. 4. Green tea. This miracle drink has topped the list of healthy drinks. It can get you going without any jitters. Additionally, you would be drowsy after the effects of green tea wears off. If you haven't been having this relaxing drink, now is the time to make it a regular part of your morning routine. Green tea has been popular amongst all health enthusiasts as it helps torch calories. It also targets the fat in your liver. Less amount of fat will keep your liver healthy and possibly away from liver cancer. Studies have shown that drinking green tea will just boost your liver health miraculously. Supermarkets are loaded with flavors of green tea. You can even add honey or lemon to make it tangy. If all this doesn't encourage you to take a sip, we don't know what will. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is the best health tonic. Fix yourself a turmeric latte and help your blood fight the most common problems in your system. The active ingredient called curcumin is an anti-inflammatory and the best natural healer. Applying turmeric over a wound or a cut can reduce the entry of dirt and microbes into your blood vessels. Most people have tried every skincare product under the sun for acne and blemishes. We often fail to realize that the problem lies from within. At some point, Any external application of a product just fails. This indicates impurity in the blood. Imagine your blood to be the taxi for oxygen, hormones, vitamins, minerals, and vital nutrients. Any bumps in the road will not allow it to carry these passengers to the designated places. The bumps in this case are toxins and impurities. A proactive intervention via turmeric will help say goodbye to that itching, allergy, rashes, pimples, eczema, and psoriasis. Not only this, but it also helps reduce stress on all the other systems of your body as blood keeps the body united. Before we go ahead, click on Drink Turmeric Milk for a week. This will happen to your body to learn more about this healthy drink. 6. Cabbage. The free radicals in your body can be controlled with this amazing cruciferous vegetable. Other vegetables belonging to this family are broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These fiber-rich vegetables can be a great source of magnesium, phosphorus, vitamin C, and calcium. Additionally, they also have a high amount of antioxidants. Antioxidants help to reduce the toxic effect of free radicals on your body. Studies have shown that the sulfur compounds not only have anti-inflammatory properties, but also have blood detoxification properties too. Your kidneys help to filter the blood and maintain water balance. The filtration process will leave a lot of unwanted impurities in the blood. Therefore, it is essential to keep the kidneys free from any disease. Studies have shown that cruciferous vegetables, especially cabbage, can be beneficial for reducing the risk of kidney cancer. Just avoid overcooking the cabbage. You can add the regular cabbage and the red varieties to your coleslaw, salad, stir fries, tacos filling, etc. 7. Beetroot. The nutrition profile of beetroot is really impressive. This deep red-colored vegetable is low in calories and is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. Beetroot greens are also so tasty and can be a perfect addition to your bowl of salad. Nitrates and betalains are the chemical compounds known to reduce inflammation and oxidation damage of the liver. There are just so many dishes where beets can be a perfect addition. You can use freshly chopped beets in the raw form, pickled, sliced, and roasted sticks in the form of beet chips. Many smoothies, juices, and desserts get their popping color and earthy taste from this sweetener. 8. Hibiscus. This trendy red drink is the new cool kid on the block. Most coffee shops and supermarkets sell this cranberry-like flavored tea. This eye-catching drink can keep you hydrated for a long time. The bright red color comes from pigments called anthocyanins that have anti-inflammatory properties and have an anti-hepatotoxic effect. Apart from that, it is a super nutritious and blood purifier that helps your kidneys. In the filtration process, you can sip on this tea anytime or for the whole day. You just need to cold brew some dried petals or simply use tea bags and make this cooling drink. It can help combat bleeding disorders and improve complexion. If you have a fresh source of these flowers in your garden, then simply pluck a few petals and use them as a garnish over your salads. 9. Berries. Blueberries, cranberries, raspberries, and strawberries can help you pack some antioxidants into your diet. They are the best form of snacking when you're on the go. A few animal studies have concluded that blueberries are especially healthy for the liver. They can be an excellent addition to your smoothies, oatmeals, salads, and a bowl of yogurt. Cranberries are also great to keep your urinary tract healthy. It can ward off the nasty bacteria known to cause infection. This in turn will keep those kidneys functioning optimally. 10. Green leafy vegetables. We've all heard, for our entire lives, to finish up the greens on our plates. They are probably the best thing on the planet that you can eat. Their astringent taste helps to shift that pH balance from more acidic to a desirable alkaline one. Spinach, kale, lettuce, mustard greens, Swiss chard, arugula, fennel, and dill are all loaded with countless essential vitamins and minerals that keep your system working like a well-oiled machine. The enzymes from these can really help speed up the detoxification process in the liver. The phytonutrients also help you to have great skin, a sharper memory, and a healthy gut. 11. Ginger. This superfood can elevate the flavor profile of any dish. It offers a ton of benefits from motion sickness to cold and cough. It gives a push to your blood circulation. When your blood circulation is in full swing, it helps you to absorb more nutrients from the food you eat. The medicinal property of ginger is because of the compound called gingerol. It also means that you will be getting more oxygen throughout your system. It will keep your mood elevated and you will feel energetic even after a busy day at work. Gingerol also helps take away inflammatory products in the system. So keep popping those ginger drops or have a soothing cup of ginger tea in the afternoon to relieve your liver of the stress of toxins. A few studies have shown that ginger is beneficial in treating non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases. 2. Having a strong liver can help you expedite detoxification of blood. Therefore, keeping it in top-notch condition is crucial. Let us know in the comments below.